a happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy dog.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy!
Taking a chance, cause I like you a lot, so I'll give it a shot, give it all that I got. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-dee. Suddenly you call my name and I lose my brain and I float up to the moon.
I decided to get a hamster, and I don't think he likes me.
Yeah. Whoa. I'm a potato.
Again? An overload of cuteness again? You guys are still here? Oh my goodness, hello! We gotta start naming y'all if y'all gonna stay here. Oh, little runt in the back. Hello! Oh, you just want a hug. You just want a hug. Look at you babies. I thought there was 5 of you. Oh shit. Look at you. What, you really trying to get up to me, huh? You either want a hug or you want to give me a hospital visit. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, that little one in the back is just doing his own thing. You're my spirit animal. Oh. Hello, babies. Hello.
Shan, 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 shan. Jingle bell, jingle bell. 살루가 그래. Hey!
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my
Everybody has that one thing in their house that everybody thinks is so cool. Could be a hidden cabinet, little movie room, gadget, but ours is this.
Just an otter having the time of its life.